Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how South Korea is for international students. Many students are drawn to its dynamic culture and excellent educational system. You'll find a wide array of programs, with many universities offering courses taught entirely in English. Plus, the overall cost of living and tuition fees can be quite competitive compared to other popular study destinations. It's a fantastic option for a global education. South Korea boasts some of the world's leading universities, such as Seoul National and Yonsei, known for their cutting-edge research. You can pursue degrees in popular fields like technology, engineering, business, and of course, Korean studies. After graduation, there are often exciting work opportunities, particularly within the booming tech sector and with various multinational corporations operating in the country. It's a great place to build a global career. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: for all you busy students, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for packing your lunches and snacks. You can find the link for these, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Living in South Korea means immersing yourself in a fascinating blend of ancient traditions and ultra-modern city life. Your monthly living expenses, not including tuition, might range from $800 to $1,500, depending on your lifestyle. Most universities offer excellent support services for international students, including assistance with housing and cultural adjustment, making your transition smoother. While studying in South Korea is rewarding, you might face some challenges. The language barrier can be significant, but many universities offer Korean language programs. Be prepared for cultural differences. An open mind is key to adapting. International students are generally allowed to work part-time, usually up to 20 hours per week, which can help with expenses and provide valuable experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.